In Manila, Philippines, a fire devastated a slum a year ago. Recently, another blaze struck the same community, leaving many families without shelter. Jessica recalled she could not save anything and had to start over from nothing.
So, sobrang bilis lang po talaga ng daloy ng apoy. So bali wala akong nailigtas doon. Pagpasok ko na lang doon, natulala na lang po ako. Hindi ko po alam kung ano yung dadamputin ko. Kasi ang hirap kasi matutulala ka na lang po doon.
Upon learning of the disaster, volunteers quickly prepared daily essentials and clothing, providing aid that eased urgent needs and gave survivors strength to rise again.
Pangalawa, volunteers lang ako sa barangay namin. 3 months bago magsweldo. Allowance lang ba? Yun ang hanap buhay ko. Malaking bagay talaga ang dating ng Tzu Chi.
Life was already difficult, and the fire only made it worse. Manuel now struggles to repair his home while also trying to pay for his children's tuition.
Mag-i-support na kasi natin yung pangyayari parang mahirap. Kaya walang po, think positive lang po tayo, kayang-kaya mo.
其实在这个区域经常的发生火灾，我们在这个区域的发放已经有好几次，很感恩也。所有的志工们虽然很早，凌晨5点多就来，但是大家都是满脸的欢喜。
Through helping others, volunteers also learn and grow. They hope this love from society will give survivors the courage to rebuild their lives once more. Dai TV reports.